What's up, everyone? This is Nobody Studios. I'm Slade.
I'm Landon.
And today we are playing Skyblock 2.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Yeah, and I played just a small little bit off camera.
Just a small little bit.
Yeah, if you just come over to my islands. I am 74% done.
And extension. Yeah,
Wow. Slade.
What?
Look in chat.
Dude,
Your island's sad.
I played a little bit yesterday, first of all.
Well, I played for like 20 minutes. Do I just have like the diamond pickaxe and stuff?
No one likes a brag or Landon.
I'm not even bragging.
Sure. Guys, say in the comments if Landon's bragging.
Nobody ever writes in the comments.
Yeah. Guys, can we have 2 likes on this video? 2 likes. Like goal. 2 likes.
I think we should need like 0 likes, -1 likes. Can we hit 1 dislike?
No.
I know we can hit it. Come on, guys.
No. 2. Okay, 1 like. 1 like. That's all I want. 1 like.
1 like equals 1 panda.
1 like equals 1 panda holding a Nobody Studios ball.
Whatever, I'm okay with that.
That's what we're gonna make the Ford symbol. Or Ford logo.
Well, I think that's gonna be the banner.
No, that's gonna be like in the little circle. Anyway, that's what I hear about the channel. Wrong channel.
But it's the best channel. Actually, second best channel.
That's the first best channel.
You already know. Panda squad for the win.
Says the person who has like 3 accounts subscribe to him.
No, I don't. I have like 0 accounts.
You account Pod Squad. Your Pod Squad.
I didn't even set up her squad. Well, I didn't subscribe on that with that one.
You got the dad's old account called like what is that one called? Oh, Bigfoot.
Yeah, well, maybe we should say that.
That's why.
My dad will have a ton of subscribers.
Well, first of all, they can't even find him because he has no vids. So.
Oh yeah, so we have some announcements on
We do?
what we'll be doing. Yeah.
We do?
Well, I do. We will be doing some role plays in the future.
Oh yeah. Like Roblox Family and we just thought of like Minecraft roleplay.
And also, I don't know if Slade's gonna want to do this, but we might do Minecraft Skyblock.
Maybe. This series is gonna only be like 3 probably gonna make maybe 2 more videos of this series.
Yeah, unless we restart again.
Maybe. It may come back in like 3 months, just after we're done.
Maybe there'll be a Skyblocks 3.
Maybe. If there's a Skybox 3, then we'll make one.
And we never even asked them if they wanted a series on this game.
Well, let's be honest, they don't. You guys don't even comment.
Yeah, but we could have done like likes.
Tell me in the comments, guys, if you are liking the series. And also tell me if you're liking the Lumber Tycoon series. I just realized they're both tycoons, and they're both the second version of it.
Yeah. You should start a series on the first one.
Not the first Lumber Tycoon. No,
Why?
just no.
Why?
Have you played that thing?
Yes. Why not?
Dude, have you played that thing? That thing is like scary.
No? We'll do a video on it and we'll see what you guys think.
On the bed. On the bed. Almost.
On my iron island, I forgot that there was a hole where you mine the iron. It just fell right down.
Oh. 74% done.
Me?
Yeah. Took out land tycoon, guys. Oh, that's helpful. There's another bridge right there. Starting with treehouse, you haven't started the house, I see.
Well, I just got the island. And I'm working on some other things.
Mind if I steal the magic carpet?
Nah. Take it.
Thanks, can't take it.
Okay.
Did you get to slide from your treehouse to your to the mainland or to main island?
It costs 600 to get the next upgrade.
Dang. Okay.
So no, not right now.
17%
Usually
done.
one is dead.
Yeah, you bet the house.
Yep.
Barely.
It's expensive, okay?
I'm in the pool.
Oh yeah, what's your inventory storage?
I don't know.
You can check on the side of your screen. It
Oh,
should say
nah.
that.
16.
I'd probably double that.
I need 6 stone.
I'm just gonna sell everything I get and try to get 600. Sold. I'm just gonna have no inventory.
Yeah. So I got 3 stone. How much wood do I need? 10 wood.
Okay, so I'm getting close. I get closer and closer. Remember how I had 300 and I bought the house that cost 300?
Uh-huh.
I'm back up to 400.
Oh, goodness.
You have the chicken island with 2 chickens, I see?
I just got it.
Well, that's sad. Not gonna lie. Not even good to lie. You know what I do with my plants? I just plant it all. I just plant it all on one island for some reason.
You do what?
I plant all of my seeds on one island.
Let me guess, the chicken island?
Yep.
Same too. Guess it's the biggest island. That's why.
Well, technically no, but it's the one that has the most.
Somehow I put two trees inside each other.
Yeah, that's possible. It's a glitch. I do that a lot. I remember when I was just like, how do you have so much money? You have like $100.
And there's like nothing.
Yep. And now I'm like, man, I've got $400. I gotta get my chickens some more food. I just planted 2 weed seeds inside of each other. Let's go to the big one. And if I sell that and I sell that, look how much money I have.
Huh. Cool.
I'm close to enough to fully build my tree house.
Oh yeah, I forgot about eggs.
Yeah, that's what mainly gets me my money. Eggs. I typically get like 10 every time I come in.
Dude, there's so many eggs waiting here for me.
How many?
See? $16.
Nice. What upgrade is your chicken?
I ain't 10.
Yeah, that's what I get every time. Oh yeah, look at my money. Actually, look at my treehouse. Look at my treehouse, okay?
Uh-huh.
You looking at it?
Uh-huh.
Still looking at it?
Whoa, cool. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I didn't realize it's like 20 seconds less. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe, leave a like, put on push notifications. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Peace.